ye de to wo ma remfio say no num pai mu e na kase frase ansa na for God and country the Professor Kwamla Bochi ene dom ne tena se ye adwuma manyame ene wo man no ene what is odd man kuma chiame e betina mu na abusua triple e man ne medio efiri sabre yi kwa nko se no nsia no mmɔ enwura mu hɔ no ɛhɔ na ɔfa ɛtɔ so mienu ye bedo na efe ye de atremu na mmom anwumre efiri so mpankran 106.5 FM sabre kro na live for 93.1 asantima Agya Atuma hwada braka 101.1 FM takwa Sompa sana wo ma wo bono ene na afa nyina no se ye bono ahenkura 98.9 lodge be kwa na bro sanum eno na me se efiri sunwane o etimin nantia fonso.com for de ko kamu.com mo de ko she mam sa kosi ahafo wo ma wo doma mani masase paso doma ahenkuru no doma 100.7 wono mo faje usu be ma ne dom na eto pete e makodi wafo nyina anya bi 90.7 ne Sompa nkransa apoya fam bono ena na henkuru etachima 106.1 eno nso ye Sompa kro no a sabre Sompa FM 106.5 live eno akra na ya na de ahye mfimfini ho Sompa akra 106.5 live ya bra so e Facebook ho ensem ni nyina di atwaguo video ene emfoni ena yewura tabo aten achim ni nyina akoto www.sompaonline.com afe baby FM stations no decoder no so eno nso ye wo ho Sompa FM Sompa FM live ni YouTube sabre ye ni namu ene ye nyina nante medimafo Herbal Center Dr. Tam da so no what the time atoka sie so na emo ye bedidi ho just hot kenke de ye bone 3 cities na esom ma wo mo ediwie kire sampa ye nya anka no ye de kasa na kire mineral water na ya abudwunsuo wo so anwumre ba bia ye wura eye Technical University Teachers Association of Ghana wono ma yetwa wontia efre wo mo tutag no wo mo na aka won ho se wo mo ma aban no osana abosumi aye wo mu ya se eno ena enya ne deadline na abusua sade enkomo ne tie no ye bebone na efe ye wuram ne ene mpanimfo adi nkomo na ba bedu asantima mu sei wone wo ma wo ho no nso di nkomo ma wo busa se de yatete won kran sa na ahenso ekwa na emu ena yewura Dr. Bismarck kwaku ya wono ena woye panimpa wotua ano no wone no ekasai na abusua se de emu nsamote pa no de wo mo ka nyina ne se wo mo ni brabri nyina wo mo bontene ne nyese hunahuna na wo mo hunahuna ban na mo ye frɛ bibi post retirement salary arrears enu nyina besi sabre wo mo aboso wo mo enyanti bibi emfira ban ho na eduba bia na ye koto na memfa nhyɛ oto agro eno nso de wo mo ka ne pray se agobone na sa kuo yi asema wo mo ka nyina na wo mo kyɛ se ukɔ asantima mu a KSTU ho wo mo de akura no be se bosome dumienu kapre kura mai enti na mo wo mani abra wo mo nso keka won ho se wo no ma won kran e na wo mo nya bia wo mo de ensa nya nkan bi kura enti Dr. Bismarck Kwaku Paka wo no e na akɔ asantima mu Technical University Teachers Association no wo no e na ɛhɔ otua wo mo ano na wonya adaje ene bawa ekasai ekyerɛkyerɛ de ntia wo mani abra saa asɛmoi wo mo boso na wo mpesa Sompa kase emom ene mfa na no ntomo bi
Post Retirement Contract Faculty of Kumasi Technical University. Yadika kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ sɛdeɛ nhyehyɛeɛ tie between university and aban who attain at the age of 60 because the university staff strength and the expertise faculty no gather over the years aban through the university and GTech emma opportunity to stay on to work till about 65 years so we are senior lecturer grade and now 70 years so we are professorial grade and science is a condition of service and not compulsory until a go through process for approval until we always expect when the approval is granted then the associated salaries also will be paid until the ASC for almost 12 months Kumasi Technical University. Young colleagues, about 15 of them so far no aban chiaka. Meanwhile no ebinsu woho aban etia, and that is actually creating an unpalatable situation. MY Jumaye Esan say these approved staff are for 12 months almost. Afini Nanso Aketua Biama. Press conference is just to send a signal. Say the requirement say by the time validation of the payroll is done this month, your members here they will be validated and paid by the close of the month. Someone you need to say by the validation time, so they are yakano following to all the engagements, any letters are issued back and forth. No, say you will be there, and we will have to abide. I say one more shares. Say you take stand there na any arguing class anka you befa doing this.
Wano ene chairman Edema Kumasi Technical University branch no tutage wo ho won etua wo ma no yewura Bismarck kwaku paka no na wewie na anso ho members na wo mani abre na wo mo ka wo mo asem Edema wo mo esanse se wo ne pani a yakase due na wo nso ne pani na wodi safo n'animu a wo nso due esanse asem no ekwa awuko mu neda wo mo nso aye koma wo mo no wo mo asem a wo de to ba abedu animu ni.
The pain is that appointment by and son I time also. So there was no preparation. We thought to say you're standing something. I Juma University then all of a sudden retirement abba it says Keba and that is it. And why now I'm planning say you're planning say we do sister then that is it. But because of our condition of service, none of us are prepared say or call for retirement. Because as a professor been say at least no next 10 years. So all of a sudden then you will be teaching.
Savings kakra why na or withdraw back. But for emergency and some other issue. Recently I went to withdraw some of my T-bills and I think it's not going well with us. So as he said, we are still pleading with the government to do something in our, for us.
So if I may ask, would you embark on strike if the money still delays?
Well, we are following our union. Whatever they say, that's what we would.
Oh, maybe any American say, yes, sir, I'm paying for no. So, Mushas asked me na omonka na akwa say. You mean that you so cry? It's say him say these things are attached to a condition of service. Student na actually madi no. Sabi and to say secondary school there no. Emu and so you can't leave the student midstream. Who supervise it will be work. Akakakra no wi. It's not the best. They also have to finish school and then go move on. So what I say? When you know akwa ehuma bro me ade na yentumi ya omo. We were just hoping against hope say we bia omo ka hwasem. Babesi nek ache 1 year. So let's say himfa beyond education. It took her bia me ba ma beche.
Eno eye wo mo ho wasem no mu pa efa won ho kase ko ma no na ate se wo mo kasa yi sampene se wan kasa oti ho a ye yiwa yibone woni baba ho so no ne ye yiwa akua batista ya bra wuti ene akua batinse na we na wo mo chese enya na eso ase o 2025 na wo mo ha no challenges no e sha ase nanso we nyina wo mo abono abwa de apem controller and accountant general department card de ho nanso still I order it and na wo matena sia asande wo moni atototo se kasafidi ahudwe wo mo de kokodan wo mo a edu ba bia na akwakoye se sabio wo bomu na kire wado nanso sompa kase ne de ba bia wo mo no kure huna mane ataku motoro so kure no wo masem ya sompa kama wo enti die enti na wo mo mfa na sompa fo wo mo nso na kampanimfo no nya adaje tena ho no wo mutie esan se wo mo bokosi ase titu ene hot bite so eno na wate se wo mo eka mu nsem no na abusua we wo mo ne ba abedu ene di sa nkomo nyina bra yewura Bismarck paka ene dom no wo no mu hia no wei ɛyɛ asantemamua ɛne si na enyom na ɛda abusua yɛte firi ni wura no ɛwɔ mu sɛ yakwa tie Dr. Bismarck Kwaku enkomo ne bi de nanso de efiri sura bɛte bayira homa mu a wɔn mo atena ho 2025 ho ahwa sɛ o ebinom obewie school yɛntimi nyae sai sanze de wasofo ntundadiem na otwa nani no wɔmfata nyame ahenie ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsom saafo no sompa na katuapa no aban amfa ama yɛkura nyame ahu ne yɛayɔ na watue yɛn soka nanso sabio wɔn mo yɛ ho a ɛbɛwie no na wabanoma na wasɛe wo kyɛ adama meyankɔ ahoma no so na yɛne Dr. Bismarck Kwaku Paka nkonkodi nkɔmɔ wɔno na wokɔ Kumasi Technical University tutag nkura bata no wɔn chairman no na yɛmusa sɛ saa wasana de yi kɔ na wie ya wɔn de ama aban hunahuna no wɔn hunahuna no na de nkura nti na wɔn kasa how no ne den wɔn fa yɛnkɔ ho school ne yɛnso ma wɔn bi ɔba bi sɛ wote yɛnka Sompa hotbite kase ni yɛ mo adwemo akɔ abo
yo me joso me da senso wo akwanja wo de ama me na nyumbre me chia wo ni watiefo nyina
yatiefo agemo so
good sadia we di kan no asem ya ne yebubo so wo press conference eye bibia nanka yeni ndakra se ebeba bedru sa pempenso yi because number one, post-retirement contract there, any other for Ghana universities. Na interior one say Appiah atna di huama abedru sa stage. Number two, any say yeah can and yes say post-retirement contract for Appiah entry mukra. Schools be universities be wa asemia yeah can any issue because Appiah. But other universities also what they say KSPU ebi mu yetua wo ebi mu so for all this 1 year no yentua wo mu nti so confusing say ntia abandayesa nti ye de ehya last year September no ye de echi eco detect eco controller na dear woman and say controller force you woman dear Ministry of Finance in Shishena woman so the take approval process no for this post retirement no woman so say woman name sentia controller entia and answer sadia no so koso enti wuko ha na ya pia wuko ha na ya pia wuko ha iti yantimi enya opportunity any minister of education share mo no kwa ka say o adi kra ye ni finance minister di nkomo na enye issue bi anka say wo mu clear and that so kunkon ho now academic calendar usually per cycle no you start around September na abesi August until as we speak no in the normal scheme of things enye covid eba ene nyama twinchin kakra normal scheme of things na nka this August no the end of a full cycle. Okay. Na obiaye juma for one whole academic calendar year. Yan chanaka ono adi ni sika ka be juma be ye ekoba mi wo hu se ni other contemporaries no wo mu de inti confusing inti ye kosu tna ho na ye nto anamon pamfa ho a ene be ti say already no obi amfa ho inti no say wa sorry an Kenya ho ampe kwan a wonsa be kan sika ene na de ebeya na ye no
miura se meto man na wie kura nkaja wo de wo munwumadi akwa wie no na ya sa ma on contract se momfa nim de no nkotena fie mommoa ye se de be wo na eba no ebenya bie eno ho na mo salary sakam no.
Yes, we said the university system not here no. Obi be ye juma ko do sa pempen so no usually they be a okono or senior lecturer or professor or inti sa nim dia no ye ma wo mu fan kokwa. Okay. Akwenja wo ho na nipa no apom din eye already no ye nyina ye nim say SHS by ye. Any paper brain era university. Now so any padua a buy for almost a woman jumano. Esha.
Okay.
Intino every year we are in staff every time we move free system no. Now students number no bro lectures no so. Inti sa kwenye boy and soma time a woman we 60 years. In fact, say any panel we duma a senior lecturer ranker. Abai Asia she say obe to me nya kwenya aye duma for 5 years account any straight. Womu teaching every cycle no na womu check any panel output any na pomudin and sana womu renew amano. It is all your senior lecturer obey we no na with this 65. Say or your professor obey we na with this 70. It is professor no after 60 no at cyclical periods no obey to my framework could do 70. Inti no sana she share any tears that maybe can no. Idea what that and a condition of service and so for senior members academic. It is a situation here. And a warm expertise, any skill, acquire over time to help to mentor postgraduate students, any research, all that. So, inti warm, and yes, I the for an answer will be stress, but this is something which is a buying that I will a factual process and sana. Approval go through. So the moment approval go through, it's normally expected say payment will be done.
Hey, and me ura obasa yabumu bramusun pa o.
And yes, they are okay. In fact, for young Casano, your dream say Obia or TSA. Who are reserved for 1 year. Who will say, any woman, I the papa, and I say, woman, Nancy. Yeah, engagement at all levels. The dear say, at the end of Denti, na ye shemo bowo ha se beba, ye shebo ha se beba. Inti, from GTEC to Ministry of Education, Ministry of Finance.
Na doctor we de say wo se de mo age atum se mo besom sa asom papa yi a enya aban na mo hwe ne ni mo yoye na mom asuafo na eba beje ntete no ho na mo dwene ye nti a mo ye de mo aye na ene se bo sha aban sha e wontimi ni so empene se apami aboa no na aboa no nsu mi asase se se mo de mo nkukuru mo nkaka gu fom a ewom se aban obehunu bidie nanso de no ho be kire ne pa na yesuafo no a miura aba ne sei no mo di kan sacrifice awie obeka se nka munya abotra nkonkosi awie ye
yo said ya kano ye rese usually no month be am buying control our time and one year validation into ye rese by the validation period no say these affected faculty members will be captured. So one captured there, so they are free honor. Then we actually kick in the decisions now. You declare no. Number one, what family we could have decided Sanka, yeah, better taking this decision before even exams. But exams, now so say exam no. On say students no ne hun che me bebre so ko fi obetimi akọ nti yanko ya fan ko share exam time now so with second semester no unim say students graduate complete project work so nti wo mo say ya mark ewie wo mo be receipt ni nyama sa we ni nyina no emma so until say yetimi clear this hurdle no nti ya kakra say yemma students enter campus ma wo entry wo good because suggestions but can enko here exam but ya nyensa ya hwɛ exam no so yɛ boso hwɛ sɛ yɛbɛwie yɛwie bibia sɛ yɛbɛmake the results bɛba ɛno deɛ yɛbɛsom yɛmma kwan until say yɛtumi clear with this hurdle no.
Doctor yɛgya wo na mamu akɔ na nkɔmmɔ yɛ yɛdidie me wɔ akyiri a afei na me ba wura baabi a mumu wɔ ebie no nyame ampata a ɛnhyɛ me nkuran sɛ wobɛsa me kɔ pension a me nsa ɛnkɔ deɛ mu kɔ ebio na so nkɔmmɔ a wo ne saafo no kora afei na wɔ mu bam no ebedi sɛ bi kora a wo kom no yɛtwe ahene fam wokɔbusa sɛ emudwo ɛna wɔ mo nso a yɛkan no wɔ mu sika kora ɛbɔ nsa prɛkɛsɛ wɔ mo pɛ baabi de akɔ akɔwura a wɔ mo nya saafo no nso wobɛkasa akyerɛ wɔn sɛ aban nsa nko a nso nyame ani kata wɔ mo mmra mu biana
won't say way how do we call it salaries any monument we be a bank one a bank na abia so here obi mu a but so on say said ya di kan you know a bank kasa was system one anka open say there will be a certain number of students to a number of lecturer ratio said there be system no nipa dudu a womo eche nipa dudu a de say bibia number no ankasa de up to now say you betimi e so no a problem because aban any sika bebre o define nipa bebre so inti we no e kwan aban fa so kura editing ne kaso na womo kakra ya mpo a ye ke na womo aketua emmei but the fact is that the way of trying to push that whole system say abai ebepe kwanya odi be motivate ana say obetua sa workersika eno de abai ankasa ni strategies any ni nhihye say obepe sika wo bebi o say de obeye no so but as in kofo awa engage wo mo de wo mo ni say adwuma wo di ahye wo mo nsa no na wo mo ye womu wie wo mu djuma said ya wahye bo wa ketu afan mu no na wo so di ama wo mu
Doctor enwumre ye bede wase pa ne bra wonya ede ama ye ne nkomo nso kura wo ne ye die na mampani tie chief of staff tie saa na education ministry nso tie wasem ba ko a o de bema wo
yes in fact in their statement no you can plainly say One say, Uwe Ghana said the Ayaya Niamanua. Very often, labor take decisions say, and I say, oh, Mukra Muhadin. The truth of the matter is, government agencies involved. No. Fitia Shafia Krano, then every coin say, oh, ye TSS, I say me Koso, and I'm ABC, and I hear to Afahun. And that say, ye require say, ye beckley. Me catch you up to now. Common statement say, ye to an amount say, Munfanche, and I say, ye say, Bibi am my 2025 are yeking. The essence of being taken serious. So, into your country say, now your agencies, for instance, Ministry of Education is in charge of the tertiary education. Say, and I'm on two brain. Yenim say I engaging crofo womu faculty omu ye adwuma womu aketua ma there are no to pan agencies ye to a wo metinya ka say womu tu ya na womu di bre asemiase obi amfa ho enti no ye tufo say ye nyina no amai no ye dia ye nyina ye dia enye obi apese obeko take action affect students in or the university operations and activities in any way but say adiano enipa na enya hondi resources or nya so de beye adwuma no say also one farm manual ene adwuma ye nankasa ebeye diama no se ultimately
no correct
ebeye diama no inti no odru bebi no ntimi bie mu a untimi ontimi nyejuma no inti na ban yetre say anka said the idea to a press conference was a way of also alerting government say and yes a person is specific womuntu anamo na issue na wo ho no enclear na figure asem emfa na asem ko no bia hunto no. Thank you.
Doctor, enyumre ye do asepa na obre foforo bia ebetwetwe aso na mpese nsentwerofo hunu no na motia ye na aso na eba ne sa ye so ye beso mu fefefe wono ukọ asantemamu Kumasi Technical University tutaga ku na ewo ho no wo mo na ye titrani Dr. Bismarck kwaku paka no one ye ne kasa ye na ebusua kasa na kire mineral water enyumre ekutaye mu pa ya abodu bio eye wuduro ene nti kan ho na nom kasa no de ya tro ho CASA wo mo back hospital echi wa taifa sahye mu de ana ope dispenser no de won tranketoa adante mu de nyina no wo mo de ma na mom dome commercial bank na echi e ho na Just Hot Kinky won mo Jesus our source wo mo na ye just bread and pastries no e ho de ni wo mo timi yo na wo mo de yellow corn so aye dokono ne wabo ne 3 Ghana cedis unya obabia wo Ghana ha obetimi akọ akoto no waton edi wo mfa so medimavo aba center or the time atoka se so ena nwumre yeguso ebe mawo a yewura mu asantima mu tutagefo ho so ebe mawo a yewura mu asantima mu tutagefo ho ate se Dr. Bismarck kwakupaka wo be kire die ntia wo mo bo aban so se bosumi ko na wieye na na yeso wo de bre wo mo enya maide a ene na sede ade na si ayo no ho asemo ano no na no ya asantima mu ene ye koi enti yamra nkran na fe yahwe nkran fo no se ho ne ye obake ana se eyangle no nko na ye ne penia wo nkran enkonko kasa Dr. Francis Nutuga General Secretary Edema Tutaku no ewo nkran sade Kumasi tutagefo aye nhyemudia mansentrofo akoho eche se wo mo post retirement salary arrears ni nyama ye ntino bosumi ko na wieye wo mo ka kira ban wo mo de won kukunu won kaka ebegu fom na de nipa be ya na won ma ye adaroma ye musa Dr. Francis Nutuga nso se Kumasi fo na eyo ana nkran so the same thing. Doctor, you are welcome to Sompa Hot Bite.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Miura, yeah, hano akano dodo na etie ninti. Can you blend the two together?
Not very well.
Okay, you try your best.
When you speak, I can understand, but I will not be able to speak it for you.
No problem.
But I want to correct some impressions there. I am the secretary for the National, not Accra.
National General Secretary.
We have 10 technical universities in all the 10 old regions.
Okay.
Okay. And then all of them have their local executives, and then we also have the national executive. So I am the secretary for the national executive. So I'm the national secretary.
Okay.
The general secretary.
National secretary, are you part of this incoming retirement salary arrears deadline?
No, I am not.
Okay. So, what of that of Kumasi Technical University?
Yes,
are they the only person struggling for this?
No, we have this issue cut across all the 10 technical universities.
Okay.
So the Kumasi issue is a kind of a deviant behavior they put up, which will be addressed during our local processes, because we had a national congress just yesterday, and it was agreed at that national congress that tomorrow in the morning we will be addressing the media at the national level. So it was a kind of a surprise for us to see that in the media today. So I will not be able to speak to what is happening there, but we will speak to the issues of which the post-retirement contract is only one of the items on our agenda. Okay? So we will speak comprehensively to the media tomorrow, 8 o'clock, at Accra Technical University. Okay. So if you wouldn't mind, you can pass by and be part of the media and then also have a live presentation of the issues that we will be outlining tomorrow.
Dr. Francis, we are even already there. But
thank you.
Let me ask this. Dear Kano, dear Mubakan Watchna, dear important, can you give us a gist?
Oh, please, let's wait for tomorrow. Then the president himself will be speaking tomorrow. So I wouldn't be able to jump the gun, please.
Okay. But it won't be anything different from that of Kumasi.
What I can say is the position is just one of the items. And it may take a different dimension because at the national level, the engagement we have had, of course, may be different from whatever they're doing there.
Okay.
Okay, even though there are some of the national moves that are captured in their presentation, but you have a comprehensive presentation of the issues tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Right,
Doctor.
so thank you very much. Yes, boss.
We are leaving you. Your last message for the populace.
So my last message is that you just hold their peace. Tomorrow, they will hear a comprehensive message from the national regarding the issues that are affecting technical universities in Ghana, and then our position, and then the proposal as to what government should be doing and what all the stakeholders should also be doing.
Thanks a lot for your time, sir.
We're very grateful.
No, and Oba National Noa. Tutage Kuno, where to show for Eddie Mawon. Dr. Francis Nutugano no. Na Nina no Sadia and Sano or Bosua or Bosso, Potocasemuno. Now, what can the Ababis say? A woman say Kumasi Technical University. One much here be dear. Nemum Edachna. Wakra Technical University, one night, Mudeka say, cause one, sending in ano. Say, dear Erkosu Kumasio, the Erkosu Tamale, and Kraha, any baby technical universities one. One Kamamuko Nina, or your general secretary. Edachna, Ombe baby in some so. Now, I had the Akura, a quan into one person will be Timboaho, and on our watchers a china, a becoso. Now, dear, ye di home como, every as antimomua. Yane yewra kwakupaka edi hon komono eno de akura ye fa baako enti ebetimi aba se how no de wo hokura no edoso sene wei enti asantima mu de na wo ma ye kura na ye baako a enti dachina se ye pene dodo pan ne doncho na tia ene na wo se ye fa ho eno eye nkomo a ye kokko boy ena ate se ni nyina no wo boro so ewo Ghana kasemo English. Do not open to this page until you are told to do so. And you'll find it me, no. Yeah, and me who you point coming no my bro for drink, Eddie Baya. Yeah, they at also. My rim fee, me the Mavweba Center, Dr. Tam Daso, or Danono, and I feel Casana mineral water, and it just hot kinky in the Kutayimu. Manco, yet also, and then seminal.
Kasiabono entwa so ewo hai Ghana Police Service Agya Appiah wa bo nipa mienu bitu ewo laboni ye no ewo enkran mantamu Ghana Commercial Bank wo mo branch ba ko ye wo honom nam so ama nipa mienu wo no firi mu a wachi nipa ba ko ede aka ho ni nyina no aye kro no sem ya ene dadue ye nanka eba bekoso ewo Ghana Commercial Bank wo no nkrabata ye wo laboni ye no ewo nkran na ebra aposifo enya asante ye se nipa bonfu bi pese wo mkoto sha Ghana Commercial Bank wo mo branch a ewo hon no so no wo ma wo mo ye hayi papa enti bra wo mbabadru ye na se nipa bonfo no wo so abo wo ho nya sanketo amane etuo ni ade kitikita wo mo eno nanam so ma tututuo ko so nipa mienu aposifo abo wo no tu ama wo no afirimuo ya ba ko de wa kire wo mu ye kese enyo de wo no di se nipa mienu a wo mo afirimuo no wo mo din anabia ya wo mo tie ene wo mo hum bibia ba beto dwane momuo no aposifo kire se wo mo kuso da ya wo mo ye hwehwemu ede aka ho sane enei abeto dwase won ma kire nipa ba ko a won ma hyase eye no hwehwemu no kire se asem no nyade e besi heyei na won mo gidi ye ma papa se nipa bi no ka ho ena sa bonefo sem no won mo die e wo memu na we kura ro nyase nyame na ye adom na Ghana Police Service ho ye ha ebom pempe ko biaya na asam wasie senkom kokoto hye Ghana Commercial Bank so na se enkedenka de yebete no kanya asam da kura ne santi no aposifo so wom de hwem mapa agwakwam na won so manfo bosa asami won bedom suko de be pie firi mababia nipa biada won besa kye wo chi bia no won ma tiefo aso ensi wo ho
ene Sompa hot bite na posifo wo mo akache wa na eda so gina sabira ama no gusue no sade ya wo mo ko wiase nyina pa no so na wono mo a edi mfre ne mu sam ho ya abonofo sam asabi etia o man yimra wo mo so safo no penchi no wo mo asa aka won ho bio sesi Ghana Police Service wo mo so Ziba me Zakaria wo mo so ne penchi wono na o video no mu a no wo bo sofo no wo mo de hankofo agunu sa banka bada ne nsa no wo bo na so mfiri na chi no ya na anopa won krata no mo duma nkoma kasa we police quarters pa no okokoye sana police for jama no kro wo mo mpene nche no eni gina swiftly wo maso ne penchi na ansa na no na wo mo che se we nyina wo mo kai se wo mo akache wo kokumu a wo mo tototo na no na obi adi kan akasa woni no ene beka se di wo beka sana wo beka sa di etia gonjeni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no ene nko woni no wo sase yesi na bo kurakunu no ensam na anu eden pa na ebinum se da bi o ba bia ye one freedom of speech mu no nya sansem we ene ye kwatwembra nsam eden tokwaba enti mpanimfo entwa ba nhwe ano ene wo mo kasa ho ne no ene Christian Council fo nso wo mo de ehon krata ba kire se ensono dede ba na ensono kokoba wo mo nyina ye korobofo ma Agya Abraham dodo agya ya Christopher frere Agya Abraham no wono na nkremofo frere ne Ibrahim no wono na ye agya edema wo mu nyina ni sa hunti se ye nkremofo se ye Christopher mu nyina mogya ene Ibrahim Abraham ni sa hunti ni wa ma na se binka wo mu nka anya se wa ma eno ena mpanimfo ede to so ache se enya de awom besoso so se obi nkonko kasa no won kasa ntia nkonhyeni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam sada ena wo mo nso so se obia enkasa no won fantia yenaje nkwa Kristo na Masaud Abdallah wadin finshi aduasanum wono se sabra ye kese wono na kokeka ansem no aposifo aso ne penchi ena apostle dan ya Agya Junior wono nso ekoka bie ekeka ansem fra bi amfra edefa nkonhyeni ho eno nso wo maso ne penchi ya se sie Zeba me Zakaria ya wono nso bo wo sofo na asom no wono nso ya so ne penchi a Christian Council for ebe kire se sabio se babia ye wono ebejo a asundwe nkramofo ka ho asem no enya ano asundwe keke ena asundwe na yaje nkwa Kristo wo ba beje ye nkwa wi o ka se wodina asundwe gya ye no eno nso nya ano keke na mom adwuma wo ho se adwuma no nye ntokakon enti ye nyina nkambom se banua ba ko mu ade na ye ntena fa ko na tworo no kura aka se hwe ne fa ye se anuanom bom na wo motena fa ko
abusuya toa ensam no eso na owobia Francis Amoyi wonya mfihia no aduonum miensa na wapanyin yakasa nananum ahemfo ya wonmo wa wutu akrapa wonmo ensa hwanimu a wobo ma nhwem mapa akoso won akorna na ekire de na maposifo ya nhwem mapa akoso pa ne nyina no yese bese mfihia dunie ana wapanyin ya wonya mfihia na aduonum miensa yi wobo no wasafo hene se wo policeman ejedi omo de friend one policeman na adwuma wa ye ne se wo kwa site awodo wo mo nsase wo mo yeso adwuma skafo ya wo mo ye adwuma no no akwa gye asase na firi nsem na wo ba wo so ye posi ni edi wo afa asase no ama no a kyese wo de kwa gina mra no no wo huna nkrofo abese mfinhie dunie na nanom nyane nche ne da ene ne de nyame ncha de won ma kire no ye won ma bo kire di na ma aposifo na anam so amanyama no boni kwakwa de ma bomoden ene wodi kuro ye wono awa wutu nkrapa twetwe nkomo ene opanyi pa no ba ba kire msa no kwasem sene akwa we wose bia ha wo mo botam no nyasam ketu no mo pe no nye ne ene se ne de nyame ya adom a won mo sa so no no na won ba sa aposifo ne be dipa na yensa na ha ma foforo bia won de post adwumako ni din etietiafom
yo wana mo from say policeman bi aba say ejaba to ho no mo je na me so omo ye adwuma na policeman pra ko na omra alesa e bibi ha yan hwa yanka ase oma anope mo ho omo concrete a omo ahye yesi woni nyina foundation yesi na me so mo ye party policeman no mame na me bisa no Appiah me yana kasa ne bu fa so fi headquarters na oba to be police for na nam so ando nya mo tan palas komodum be bia sa I was saying ma police for na do na me friend police for na oba one for site wa but e chi no so nya police man da bi put me fa Ghana mra India gro put me so fa ma ye be twetwe wa bra me yo hene a ina ye wa wotu mensi ma ha na de bia wo police man 10 years ni odi pu gro for ba ko so kan no so se o ye so jama no mo ho no mo di se aduma nti me sa kan de a o se fa mra kwan so ko ye aduma oba stop when tu sika bia na kwa yo ha sa na yo ho ko na ha so yi na ngad for ha me wa sa for ma o mo no oba sa so no ho ba but me yi na ngad for bro
na so panyin kura wo sha ni dwumadie no ase se wo ye post adwuma no no wa bɔ ne ho safo hene wo finfin mantemu wo no no wo finhia na aduanan miensa 43 and now the police did this 10 years in here and they were 53 years and son here children wo na eno watching no temamfo binum and wo mo this adie di wo mu no wo mo so kasai
Actually, man, there are one or by say, one or day, Haman. Yes, we do not Haman. Okay, you are one of flare. So, February ban, like I said, what they I hear so say, one say, you will say, about grand so you must say, and they are one of them, but tomorrow, do as one can say, or say, no, straight answer. Na president so one ka say the jabo to our asase so the body so go try around mo dia nti ya de gumanu ne ko finta na ko ya ko se ko ngi da ko ma ka ta hin asase na to fa ma ka ta su na du ba ni so ko to ma ka ta su na nti ana so na ya bo du ko am de na se ya ne ya ta e ko bo fa ni aye so jama e policeman mo ba policeman pe se asase no ne de o du asase ni na so no asase ni be ti no na o ti bi ni o ko na no
Abusuane tenin kai aye dansini bini yeti won mon kanona yamane boni kwaku adema ana de kaseboyi ebesumye
ene ma yankwa santemamu wanso ba bedu de wato de afri enwomasua mpanimfo atua no ho ede ba ne se pani a won na ye Ashanti regional chairman edema Ghana National Association of Teachers de twaniti afra wo mo na ate no Professor Elvis Prince Baini no na ye kasa se sa allowance na aban so wode be ma wo mu a e kira de wo nkronkuma mu ne nkroto ahodo mu no wo ma ne mrew se de be na galamse no wo betimi atwa abahwe ano de ntie se galamse ne ekoso ama edu ba bia na asuafo na nkasa kura no ahwa na teacher ja wo mo no ordinary a kire ba bia ni kwanso wode kire because kakra ya se ba no entumi ma no Professor Baini eni bre pa frɛ ba bedu se Sompa kase ne de Yahumo de moyo enti sa asemi aha na mbetimi aka ama empenimfo nso wono maso ate na de prof wonya adaje na obiebie so edema yama ne bofo na wo kirekire mu no wode to ba obedu anim wo se eba ne sa ebema teaching profession no ni de kura asanso abem
20% of our base pay enye ka ye de be ma rural area allowance rent so come say woman such allowance on say obi a owo kumase kromidie ya dabre ha dwen na obi a owo nyiro samso sa e ho no dabre ha dwen nti so onya 20% every month of his gross salary na otumi e de rent dan kra na say onya sa asika na e be bona ma na rent dan nti say ye hwe se teacher dabre program be so in the long term your best Aban as a matter of age, rural area allowance to the be almost no difficult to reach area allowance, village allowance. It is not about the name. Ni na no 20% allowance a year. Anyway, ya young craters.
Eno native for chairman na the entire na ni abra no wo kan san semi a kire ba bedu pra konko nwahwe ho no wo de tie
aban kasa odi edwuma ebeba amambedum na ya kateweniti edwuma bi te se me ne okase ye akakadura omem ha yedi na yedi ye nduro ni ade nyina 99% ye import free oman foforo so na eba akakadura nso ya ade a ni dua kra enye ya enti se aban kasa obom mebunu ode ende youth day eboa ejina ho abom mebunu ama omodua akakadura nke ya ade a sika baba mebunu no betum se de be ye omubegyae galamse no na eno so enam so ama yenzu nso yese one no etumi assign aba enkom we hear bit say tomatoes Ghana every year bia yesai sika over $105 million $105 million annual and declare tomato ne kase na so fi Burkina desert count but Ghana ha rainforest no ewo nti say ye ka yen ye double maximum of rain season but Burkina even single one no kra no we nsu a bia Burkina enya ewo fom kra enso mutumi edua tomatoes de beton man yen emaye
we Professor Elvis Prince Bani wono eneye natefo wo mtetene ne wasantemamu enti youth international youth day nasio ena wo bie sansemi so
abusoye to so na Anaitation BFC Awatama Metropolitan Assembly Woman TDC Ghana Limited one montem anam dwumadi sunkubia ekoso Watama Community 1 na one mo sa project no ene biaya one mo edi sa adwuma no ayade se e one mo ye biaya sonko one mo jato ho se aban ni dwumadi awodo bi ombasa one mo ye won betumi aya na se nkoda peso mkodi agro ana mema peso mo bobo ho no mo a won betumi akwakoye do mo ya na se nipa bi ma sha se ye one mo adwuma enti enam so ema tax force a one mo Metropolitan Assembly ekoho se wo mko bubu structures na won maye no hon mokra wo mma kwan ema sadwumadi no nkoso chese TDC Ghana Limited wo munu yakum wo mso kokko apai ne chese nyasem keto makora wo mne task force no na anam so ama wo manfo ya won mo etempotam won no opanyipa ya ye friend se Ibi Bright wono ene won makasa na opanyini ya ye ka ne ho asemi wono ena ye tema Metropolitan Chief Executive Officer ya wo hono na woni nsemtrofo edi nkomo etrose asam no kra no won modin ka candidate dawo tema Metropolitan Assembly womne bambofo di nkatena se de won komo na wo mutwene wo won ntia se nei wo masa ko hu se ni pabinu mafa kwati kwan so a won pese wo chinchina atwan sabia ye ho na wo musi dansi.
Our situation is that we're dealing with a state-owned limited liability company, which is a private company, which is engaged in real estate. The government cannot be fighting against itself. However, the governance question is difficult in Tema because when these situations arise, it appears that the government is the one fighting you. I would like to state that the government of Tema is vested in TMA, and I want to use this opportunity before we continue to apologize for any assertions that have been made before today to the effect that these projects, which by their implementation have infringed on your rights, we apologize.
I was so worried. I Tema Metropolitan Chief Executive Officer, Mame Ibi Bright.
And yeah, when you're free to me, National Road Safety Authority, Wamuna a backwan no se so bejo na conscience ho akwankyere no wo mo de mayen na wo mo abo asem bia mane eno no yewura Felix Owusu won na ka se enyanyontini na mo wo National Road Safety Authority ho ene wodi dwuma no wo che se de utime etwi kai se de apɛ na ya choro se ko 50 na de wo ko 120 esan se wo nkwa na ate bossum wo bia ntime nka de apɛ nkyerɛw ebio wo hu se bi nso etimi twia na wa yi one tie just wonim ka ni twi timi ko zigzag way nom na ehho ade a etimi twa no ho ni nyina no 2027 yiko emra be tia pa na wo mo so opan achi a se de wo mbesi afan no no wo mo amfan a wo bedem.
Street lights or malfunctioning street lights may be a reason, and also speeding. Okay, we cannot also rule out the fact that most of the vehicles that were involved in the crash were speeding, or some of them were speeding. I've heard of some tipper trucks, I think 2 of them at least, and then also some commercial passenger vehicles. But looking at the impact, I mean, from what we see, the mangled vehicles, you can tell that most of the vehicles were speeding, and that has resulted in the severity of the crash.
Wow, and in Quenchia Bessie no Fakase na yana overspeed ka ho anase ka no wutwini basabasa reckless driving eno na ya efrefre san Quenchia ne debate 2027 ekono National Road Safety Authority ya yewra Felix Owusu wakasa edema wo mo na kire se ono na ye planning manager acha se fan ye bebom ene mra na eda ho no udi agro obedem.
was your sir, and your mamma and him send that Sabano Galamse one Samoa. A bine Gusuada, a bomodin, a bomb pemperasa, or mine able to see a cranaya and so and so on your quite brituno, as also as seen that demo. Now, so you only pebble one more pemne, the Abana Cabia one tea, one of the Galamse noir, and one word man we are not in Pohofia District Assembly, no, one more to an more ashes, say one more. Womanam kwatikwan so etu galamse e wo mayimu no Ghana ban ensabe so wo mu ne yakasai enipa makomako aduonu nsia 26 ena wachire wo mu mprempre yayi ne nyina no ye galamse yayi ho ena wode achire wo mu na district chief executive officer ye wono ewo mpo ofiase eya assembly no ayo no nyafo Sofia oben wono ene ne nsemtrofo edi nkomayi na wachire sa operation ye kwa so yi wo mo ne anti-illegal mining task force ena ka bo mu a wo mo nyina kwa obie na Ghana forces ka Ghana Police Service, Ghana Immigration Service, say, Dodo I just a bomb boy in the corner, and I won't count one more bomb has a one back comments in the now one more say you sure circle every tuno, one more to me at 2 1 more say. Now a better woman could do a much as a galam say site, no, Maku a do 10. Enumko na tani nyina no so no na ye adwuma ho che se kwabrane gina so a galano wonu tu ne dendenden ye nya samketo ma enti ebra galam se yesini wo wo mu no ape na wotido wo mu na akoro no nyane nchade emu makomako aduonu nsia 26 de wo mu kire wo mu ya enei wode wo mu ekwa gina emra no anam so ama enei wo mu kire motorbikes makomako ensia afenzo so wo mu se enioma wodo ya editu galam se machines ahodo akese na excavators ne ade no dodo no so sisi wono mu a eni nyina no wona fade kwakwaya danse de tie wo mu ewo emra no na wonam so ade afutuo ama e kire se enya de ebeso ho a se eni galam se site makomako du ena wono makwa kire nipa makomako aduonu nsia ya kire se wo kina wo se to na makwa be se aduonu so a wo be kire nipa aduanan 40 enti enya de a anamutuo no wo be da aka se womo to madwin ho esanse won ma kire bi won bekoso aye won ma famu die kosi se aban wona monto ye wo to fa galamse ho no wo betumi aduru ho
ene ba bi aduru no ya trapo sa choro no ka se bone nyina nhine ni sika pe no na ebi no mo hu a wo de ya opie wo won ho no ebi na ekoso yi na we de Accra Metropolitan Assembly ho na nkomo ifiriba na wo mo na wo mani abresa 24-hour economy market no sa de enkrotama hodo na ebia nyinya bie no obia de a nensa aka wo se sabre se kwa da ho asase ne da ho a yensi bibia so a o matu foundation ye ho adwuma na mo se bibi wo so nso na enye bibi e wo se ye gya no ho a na ne wo so wo mo bugu enti mia bebre ho demolition exercise koso eno na konkoma ya market wo Accra ha wo mo bosu jete se wo mbe srada anka se 24-hour economy market no wo mbe ya bayire ne de wo mo time edigu fam kura meyeye mo wo mo mubu wo mo bayire dan no ante sa ebe ate se de sabio wo masada ba akromfo pa se wo mo mewia won na de wo mo edeto ya mane bofo animu ni
market we mu na yeye ana de hwe abusiafo ya papa no ya wa mame no mo fie ya pano cho market no be tuya no ya pano cho si wanja 24-hour economy market no waso be sia me no so say best obesa market no wa bugunu no we sia ya pano cho wanja fofo ko bebi ya sran pi ya empe 24-hour economy so ambe bugu market no si pacho market we ene ma ya duani di ye adwuma yenya west ye adwuma yenya kakra credit di omo pame ya aifa ne be kwakwa e be nya sika ana e be hwe ya busiafo ye nwa mu nyina ofio ye na ye adwuma kakra ne de ye di support fie nti mu pame ya aifa ne be kwakwa ye adwuma
eno konkoma ya market bayire dwom ho e won kran ayadifo e wo ho na won mu de wo makosem eto ye ma anim se won be srada boys wo ho no wo mu didi ye adwuma kakra nti e pam won a ehe na won be fa wo mo anu aduane nti mpanimfo hu wo mobo na adawro mo wo mo nya yi ansa na wo mo aye de eso wo mo yo na mom wo mo bayire dwane de nke ye ma enwo ho saa ma wo
afei ko NPP amanyoko nim na anansantwofo hyemudie bia koso ewo NPP wono headquarters a ewo nkramantamu na wono monyamfo Frederick Opariato wono ane etitene ni woda NPP National Election Committee no ano na wapanyipa ne santwofo akasane nyinada efa won mabato a enchekura ebeba so na won moyi etitenafo a wo mu bedi amanyoko no anim ahwese party ne hyehye nyina ebekoyie na 2028 won matumi adinkunim na eno no de beto dwa kyese
Article 10.2 anona Emma party need to be more powerful to say near the so near call yes abato and she be na make na nipa ku bi mena meda anim honorable abuna osasare owaha etiwa apue abato mpasuaso won mrashe bejirani no ono ana oyema be di achi Shefu Ubushi Cycle Timothy Fasu Okahombi Honorable Kabu Ekamu Ebi Honorable Salam Amna Piani Madamata Yamba Shibulomi Emma
na enochi no efa no date sonko a wo mo adebeto aba no eno to sei eno kanefa ho
in Miami, vetting committee, one report, excess will be to me, a contest in the baby, assembly will use a report to Cronan, a better. And no, Timber 67, so assembly can say, be a vetting committee in a new year, Officer Abuse Committee, and Super as a cafe, 10 September, Sunday, could be a National Executive Committee, the National Council. I want 2 weeks see what party once. Sunday national conference will be to me actually when I be partner pizza coin be any report to home no per se sign up for National Executive Committee on the 10th of September we bet us more we assembling in our 14th September here the notice of pool about the 3rd of October now about to run casa then vetting committee that is honorable honorable Papu honorable Salif Said ambassador for a jail honorable
na krokro mo no ba be church sika botene ahodo a wo mo ehia sa position bia yo bibia da pe bia no sika sonko ye wo se otua na odinya
so national chairman bia for no ka da ho 50,000 so the vice chairman so 30,000 General Secretary will go with me also 25,000. Now, position who are coming in Oracle Youth Organizer, Women Organizer, Nasara Organizer, they are trying to swap 8,000. And she said, "Well, says which means you are current Casadia, which means why the check I will be Casadia team. I will do for now. Ambassador, which me and I will be from our party website. So, I'm on the Barber Fine. Now, position who are
Abusone yatene nkai won munyamfo Frederick Opariato no wono ye chairman de ma NPP wo National Elections Committee
ene abato na honkomo ene ye ginai na no Supreme Court kwa asetena na wode babato so eche se eba abana amanyokofo no kokoto ya omuyi akandifo bi na wo mo kokoto edu ba bia no wo mo aye ni sikasam tacho no wo mo nya ne sa na fe wo mo ntrem tene no sede be no bia betimi ewura mu bie na wo san komo ho ana honorable Rashid Tanko computer wono ebachini yamanyoko no mu a election committee no wono etua no na mom Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communication the friend say GFEC no wono chief executive officer ya woda no ana wono aside director of elections edema NDC amanyoko no wo cha se the Supreme Court aka no wono de wo mai bibia kwatwere na so wie na esan ba na aye mra na eye adwuma na mom eho ka bo no Supreme Court na bebo je e ba aboso pa na nensam a wode to so nie
Director of Elections, the NDC, and IT as well. Yeah, I want to say, time Supreme Court number, your party, your second defender, your statement of case presented to the Supreme Court before the ruling. We said the Supreme Court should grant the reliefs sought by the applicants. So we said the Supreme Court should grant the reliefs for them. But then, over paragraph 34 on our statement of case, we asked that the Supreme Court should make orders to the states so that that the state will fund the elections of the parliamentary and presidential campaign. Easy. Say where your friend is saying universals of 1 man 1 vote. This is a party, Ukita party membership card. Now a good standing. We were a party register now. We to Obama, a parliamentary and presidential primary. And so any election to our crowd is a big election. And then so that is what we were asking that the Supreme Court should make such orders. So we are waiting to see. I'm told the ruling is out. Whether the Supreme Court accepted that aspect to ask the state fund that election. So we'll say when it comes to that aspect, yes.
And all the others no. Say enyaduru ho a eho abra no na eho ka bono. And party for na ne wono mu a etimi fund no. And also wo mo bo ho bra. Na wi na was ade beto say na no say demonstration na. Don kuma yi ko yi no wo mo chese democracy no kura no enye papa e wo man mu. Na nipa ntimi nkasa wo kasa ne ye chew abra wo mko demonstration no kra ya nchew bia eno nso de wo kan de fa ho ni
when they went and attack even the receiver of their petition. Now we cry, you are democracy. You are saying democracy and attack. You went and attack presidential staffer asked by the president come and receive. And when you have finished your statement, so there the way you die. Everyone will cry. I one one of the constituency applicants said, I was over attack on office. Democracy and attack. Any my friend, come on, they are all bad. So you see the hypocrisy of them. Everyone has now accountability require which anti-constitution like that. The constitution. Everyone say Constitution. When you say government, it's talk about accountability. So when you pay accountability, why do you accept public office? When you say you pay accountability, it's public service. It's a public service. But the fact that you have taken role in public service, it's not for you and your family. I'm India. Where you are buying Juma? Now we are buying Juma. You be so. It's going to be mountain. You are auditing in that. Over the year. You have further answer questions. Nice way. You get to this. Where is coming?
We. Enya asembia wo se ye twetwe no se wo wianam ye de adwuma so wonsa ya ban adwuma sika no nya wo dia aban dia aban no nso ye meme ne wo enti yasoma asa kwoto ade bra no wakwoto aba no nsesa ka wo ma kire se meto ni sei ensa se ne kai we ye ntokwa ne wie no wo se ye wura afanya ma kenka asembi kire se wo de set ye bia table no betene 2028 Dr. Bawumia baba be di president ba bia wuntumi da no mo andi sefo bi na mbakwa akoda ho we yeah, kind of he and also not ceremony.
Dreams, yeah, dreams. And it's everyone is entitled to dream. And when you dream, you get up and start explaining to people. I was in your dream. You slept and saw things with your head. That's your. But Aban and about dream is about reality. What do I say? Hey, my one brother, I respect him for his view. What do I say? But a human, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, it will be difficult for any political party to beat NDC in the next election. A human, it's there for people to see. I'm president. They could do 2 years. A ban could do 2 years. No major scandal. When I started at 1992, government up to almost 2 years. No scandal.
Sankomo we nyina one international national reporter na na oponche cheku ena wo ka kire no se momfa sompa kase so ne ho ena asem no yebomu a dodo na ebete
Anano ya media budget review. Ehon sansam ko so mo ahye bedefie no. Anam so ama Institute for Fiscal Studies wo mo de abeto dwa etresa sa 2026 media budget review no. E wo mo ya kenkan wie na nso saba ya dodo no abaye adwuma ana ye behunu e wo ground so no eno ne yasem no. Yase dodo no akwa ebuku mo adwuma. Enti efom no nkasa de mpie. Eno no Ghana ya hawa ene ye da so timuo. Na ebru na IFS review Elkoso na senior research fellow onu akoye acting executive director Edema Institute of Fiscal Studies Dr. Said Boache what is some way to judge say ebrana do so se Ghana ban ema yehunu ehyehyeye no se de siti ankasa e wo fam ho.
The federal development of the private sector, which has long hampered high credit, so the macroeconomic environment robust, and on that the government has done very well. Additionally, the government's announcement in the mid-year review that the Ministry of Finance's new commitment authorization system intended to tighten expenditure control and check adverse accumulation will cover not just ministry, department, and agencies, but also cover state-owned enterprise. It's a welcome development. We previously commended the government for instituting the system, and we believe the inclusion of SOE in this coverage is must. Today, the Minister of Finance was correct in his observation that SOE's persistent financial failure have contributed significantly to Ghana's debt problem. We therefore endorse the income to rein in them financially. That's why the Appiah postponed the mid-year budget review as serious. These are number one. Poor budget.
No, and what you know, no small scale mining. Woman so a quite soon, one boy, and more mine good, no, it's me to Pono, and also Cacro kind of family.
And we are spending some oil's economic activity by providing liquidity to government contractors and suppliers in the businesses. It is also important to understand that government expenditure being a key component of GDP as a direct declining GDP growth. It is no wonder, therefore, that non-oil GDP growth momentum declined in the first quarter of 2026 as the table. As you can see from the table that although 6.35 good, if you look compare it with the previous 4 quarters, it is noticeable. The sharp decline in government funding. If the government continues to significantly restrict government expenditure as occurred in the first half, then non-oil revenues most likely decline further. So one will say, the government is not spending and it is good for the deficit. Not spending has its own negative because government expenditure is a big component, key component, and if the government is not spending, it's falling short. It has not all. There are critical expenditure items like capital expenditure and everything the government is not spending on. It has further negative. Now, why did the government not?
I was on a turning Kenya Institute of Physical Studies, open control for ya, or her Trace Executive Director, Dr. Said Boache, na Manaboy, Nano Ponchachiku, and na Edibasumi. Abusia, Yadaswa, Ejina Mamrenum, I have Sompa, and you may no insane Cassia, but the Asha say no numum pay mono. I have friend hot bites and no one air bite at the Maui. Na me yengura mabuno wa maboboano me do kwa manse anafo mense ni mu asantemantemo na ekobi atweneti ho a ye frɛ omo afrase executive club na afrase foi no wo mo nsama wo mo kan se wo mo no de wo ma hunu ne se enubone no ya na asempanimfo aka ho asemo a se ye da wo na wo mo bo ema dodo na ate ekokodi hu dwo se na ti o ne mo wo mo de etwa ba hwe ano pa de nje wo mutwa abahwe ano ne se enne enubone ekon no akwakwa ye bibie wo ho na no so wo ko a empuntuo sa tie bia ebebo wanhwe a wojetire nyina ho na bekwa kwura ne no wo mo de to mabunu n'anim se wo mbesrada wo mo ye mabunu se ye hwe osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ya abri bia ne din wo ye nkrata ne bibia mu ya bra bo no kura eto apia ne akasa Nkrumah Ghana ne ni o no wo ya babunu no wo de nubone ehye ni dwumadi ase de ye ti se frantoma frefra ya anka ye bebo ni di sabre se ye bo enti mabuno no wo mo nhwe bibi na enye ense na ho na adenya kese ma odaache abrabo nti na eno de no wodi wo mo anim no ensema wo de to so nie
Agya Appiah na yase ne bia ene abrantie e bia ku school wi wanya abadwuma bia ye ekoye e bia police e bia military se hwe this year report e ba ya enkwabile by disqualify no due to drugs ana HIV edinti na yes remebru no se e ade bia moa de bia Kwame Nkrumah the Kwame Nkrumah de hu ewura drugs mu tankoye bada ne kromfo se ba ye tutu ni anka nyene se wu ye for the past years de bia so ye boy di no enye se ye ba se bia ye ku we se no ye de be promote awuku bra ensana ma na se bibisa ye de ntetie pa asetena pa enye one day show ni abe
eno ye mabuno no de ne wodi wo mo anim a wo mote afraso executive club no na ate se ne wo kire botaye ntia wo mo de ti koi na wo mo chasa hwew se gold mines bam potem ho titura sanka gold nom ne ne kan kan ho wo mo ntimi mfa won sam pem wo mo bo nkire se enam gold mines so na ye nya japade we ene nti mabuno no ntu wo mo hofo na wie na commander ya wo bo ase ne na afa wono ene ye municipal commander no chief superintendent John Yabua wono nso de bi ba beto so no wo chese eba nu bone kon no ene eho enkomodi a ene obeka ni plane se mabunu ni di ho for pa na afrase executive club wo ma ya de
And the America say, Amansia South one, and Rantia Nina Dihunfo, and narcotics, tramol, cocaine, weed, and an American one cent cra. Crowe, a cra, Mekazam Rancho of Duena, ye nice guys. President Tibetman from Crowe, over here, now the weed, tramol, not the abonebra. Yankopon, Wabopos obey, Washa won't come, but one diso, now quiet the wow pa, and no yean it must Ramos and Bonnet, and no, says. Ye the never go from pa ye be statiachi amanfo what you say ya chunia bi se wakono madubonia fatu tis the police commander be gina kan tell them say onya wa enya de say obejawo obekoko
any chief superintendent John Yeboah wano ena ye police commander ewo amanse ene na afa ena ate say wone yamane bofo edi nkomo ebusua eno so ne ye gina na anyumre hot bite kase no a Midimafo Aba Center, Dr. Tamadaso, Poku Asamayra, Wayra Yade or Homa Yaresabano. Na a Buakago, Wagogo Yade Apunina Mapumude, and a year Jumano, was Yasana Yade Brewo, Jones Hot Kinky, Docom Papa Omudi Yellow Cornaye, Nancy Abon Tregan cities. Yam Fenikanika Buanshim, and a yam fa parka or more so Bruno, Jaya didn't know, Yam Fenwanka, Hone Ababetia Hane, a bo. 3 cities in over to me 27 cities ukra. Enti ene wo mo etondo kuna wo mo gineja ho gineja na dodo na agya ye no ekokenkan bi enti fa akoma na kokan wo de e wo dome commercial bank na chi pe wo mbesa agu mu ama wanya so mfa so ope enchenam abomu papa bi a enye ba akunu bi aboyiro de ne bi wo mbe ne kama pa de ama wesi ho a ensei ya no wa hye ne nso sa okuta ye mu na mom ensu a metimi akanfo ama no kasa na kire me no wota ensu kasa no aboju nsu ankwa wom Anumre, woman na so yasna, and send no ba. Menko, ye basisia.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo Heba Clinic Abakra. And you won't hear passengers a Gumikaimi, a Hana Dudwana aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and put away the mo. And yet the Muampa, the said, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city. You send between 1 and 8 years. Mr. Connection and said, I'm going na Sakakra. To say what Peggy Mama, what young them connection. What about the crow? Stroke on so dear, what found small. Just say, I did you who any dear Siano. Yaria Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yaria Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obepim, or Pokuase, Mayra Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500 727215. Midimafo Herbal Clinic. Wudimafo Newa.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwabo.
Oyunyankopon di fa wastrano ewiye brim enam nensaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teacher Sompa First Service ewo homayen enye TV program keke eye bra osro ne asasi hia eye bro onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the obi enim say your prostate. Na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu asia. Na e Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anase e kidney, e liver problem. Wo fa baby e na adjujo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a be ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene e bra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa wo. E ma ne mema mo pa wo. E ye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo da mu fua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na na adwodwo kidney problem prostate deɛ ɛyɛ endpoint homeopathy clinic kumase wobɛhu endpoint homeopathy clinic ɛwɔ kronoma boahia ɛna akra ha nso so deɛ wɔn mu gyina mu ankasa ɛwɔ spintex baabi friend share signboard no woduru na obusa sa wopɛ endpoint homeopathy clinic a obia ɛbɛkyerɛ wo frɛ endpoint ɛwɔ 0244867068 ɛna 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic a wɔn mu dɛm fua. Sompa kasiebo aji babia
enokre aji babia ampa abusua yenkwa amana ne nkwa wie nsem no na amana ne nso Zambia mamu ne yewura ewa bibirim ha ya womo eto abawo ayi womo mampani na mekan no mampani a wote so asesei wo hwese wo mbesa so ato aba no de ama ne bio mampani hakinde hechelema na wodi mfinhia no wodi mfinhia dosia nan ena wobedi nkunim 2021 no mo ho sabre na wakwa mako ne mprensia so ena wode wenye na wobedi ade wie nyina no sesi aba wo mutu nipa mako dunan ena atwe wo muti wo ballot paper no so a wo mu nyina epebie nanso wo mu egina won so pa na akwakoye mampani a wote akwanwa so hakinde hechelema ena afe kane PF amanyoko no Patriotic Front brana wo muti agwa so 2011 hwade besi 2021 hono minister no wo mu bie ya wono nso ye nim ne se ega lungu wono enene ni gina mu pa dendenden na ene se ade a chinye ye ho ana nweche na lopu nwe wo bebo amane e che se o aba no me kura makwa akoto na mom me de ne de se de ne mabu esi kwosoro pa wa ha ntino ye pesa nsesan eba de o kan ye no ana afe Samuel chitin denso kase o wono se we weda wokuta nkura nnan na wo hwase de asetena ne te a de madumbile ka no eno ne betumi aba mu pa enti brain madumbil wono nso ejina mu dendenden wone challenger no ana ne nyina mu no mampani nso hwe animu se wo betumi akọ ne mpo se ba se bibi ba sesa ene oha mu nchemu aduonum ne de esa ne nsaka na nka ekọ run off na wo moto so aba na no nso se run off no nso oba mu saade a ene na wo mbehia saa wo ha mu nchemu aduonum ne yakire sade ya Ghana ya kase 50+1 no na no nso no enafu aduasan so mu na wo mu hwe animu se bibi saa eto ho a wo mbeye run off no na ne ebepie afiri akire no Sompa kase ye nansem bi sei no yetimi de ye ni de akire akotwe ho ne nyina ede brewo ye na yaboso ha ye besan so atimi de ama ma remfiu se Sompa kase no hot bite na ye de free no num mpa mu anwumre eto mu a betwa mu no nsia ede bobo ba de medi mafo eba center Dr. Tam da so wo so yasene na just hot kenken so ebo ya boso ma ye no munsupa kasa natural mineral water ye de so mo won kran Sompa 106.5 FM nanso antena hai na efa kumase 93.1 Sompa efa adamfo pa radio France Abroach mamu doma 100.7 fa bie Sompa 90.7 nkransa 106.1 Sompa Tachimai 106.1 Kingdom FM eno wo mfimfini mantemu Sompa Sonya 98.9 lajibe kwa na abro sanu fa bia ehokro na no yesanso etete fa mu kana seven radio so baby FM stations no one wo decoder no so no ye gina mu ayenyansi Sompa Accra 106.5 live St. Augustine de nyina akwa akoto e na Sompa FM live nso eda ho video photo ene ni nyina www.sompaola.com yeru atabo atinchim e de kokoto ho na mmom ensam no a ye de so awo ya na otese tutagefo ani abre ye ko kumase a yewura Bismarck boss wa ye bankran so brofo yedu ma ewieye na wo mo general secretary national chese wo china enhyamude ho de wa kire no kumase de keto bi na wo mate ho wo mbebie kase no so no ye de esomo e hot bite no
Abusuya hadi ye jina na yede nsam nyina asie na ya sore so de akwhye no se yakwa mono ne awo fa Zambia won so abato a womba beto no emu nsam edibremo akosuya ajewa kwade boaten enimidin enumrei na mene
triple A mine Agya Appiah Apam Dadaa.